Let's rationalize the denominator for this particular radical. So what we have is 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5. So the conjugate of this is root 7 plus root 5. Conjugate, so we need a negative here. So minus divided by root 7 minus root 5. So if we do the multiplying, we're going to say 5 times root 7 is 5 root 7. 5 times root 5 is 5 root 5. In the denominator there, root 7 times root 7 is 7. Root 7 times root 5 is the root of 35. Root 5 times root 7 is positive, the root of 35. And lastly, root 5 times root 5 is 5. So this gives us 5 root 7 minus 5 root 5 divided by 7 minus 2. Because this cancels this. They are the same with different signs. So this implies that what we remain with is 5 root 7 minus 5 root 5 divided by 5. So in the numerator, I can factor out 5. And what I remain with is root 7 minus root 5. So that 5 that I factored out can cancel with the 5 in the denominator. And if that happens, our final answer is just root 7 minus root 5.